Good morning students. How are you? Hope you will be fine at home. Today I will teach you magnetic properties. Magnet has power of attraction. I already explained you. It can attract the magnetic substances like iron, nickel, steel, cobalt. Now dear students, let us learn about the properties of magnet. The point where the attraction is maximum are called poles of the magnet. Look at this picture. Attraction is maximum near the ends. The poles of the magnet are located near the ends of the magnet. So there are four properties. I will teach you one by one. The first property of magnet is a magnet attracts iron and other magnetic substances. We will perform one activity. When we bring a magnet close to the iron filing, we observe that they get attracted towards the magnet. Look at this picture. Force of attraction is strongest at the two free ends of the magnet. These free ends are called poles of the magnet. Repeat this activity with the different shapes of magnet. What you will observe? The attraction is maximum only near the ends of different types of magnets. Second property is a freely suspended magnet always rests in the north-south direction. Again we will perform one activity. Tie a thread at the middle of the bar magnet and suspend it from a wooden stand. Rotate it slightly and allow it to come to rest. End of the magnet which points toward the north is called the north-seeking pole, and the end of the magnet which points toward the south is called south-seeking pole or simply the south pole of the magnet. These north and south pole of magnets are marked by letter N and S respectively. This is the directive property of the magnet which tell us about the directions. Now, third property. Every magnet has its two poles, north pole and south poles. I will explain you with the help of the activity. Let us take one bar magnet. If we break this bar magnet into two pieces, each piece will have its two poles, north pole and south pole. Students, if these two pieces further are broken, each small piece is a full magnet containing north pole and south pole. On breaking the pieces of magnet further, produce a large number of magnet with both the poles at the end. So students, we can say north and south poles always exist in pairs. Poles of magnet cannot be separated. Fourth property. Like poles of two magnets repel and unlike poles attract each other. Students, like poles mean north-north and south-south poles. Unlike pole means north-south poles. Let us perform one activity. Students, look at this picture. When the north pole of the magnet is brought close to the north pole of the another suspended magnet, the two magnets repel each other. But when the south pole of a magnet is brought close to the north pole of the another suspended magnet, they attract each other. So dear students, these are the four properties I have explained you. Hope you have understood. If you having any doubt, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.